got enough time to sort out all the fights.
For dresser drawer storage situation. On top, this is the
part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of this declutter and organize and clean with me video. Today we are on day 2 and we are going to be tackling my office and also finishing up Adam's office. As you would have seen in episode 1, I really got deep down into Adam's office, decluttering, reorganizing stuff, and the only thing I have left to do in his office is really to just straighten, dust, wipe down surfaces and sweep it out, and then we'll be good. But before I get into that, what I want to do is to tackle my office, which will be for right now a shared space between me and the baby. It will be part office, part nursery. That is what I have in mind now. Of course, when the baby comes, or even when the baby is closer to being here, I may change my mind, but for right now I am thinking I'll be sharing the office with the baby, because for the first couple of months baby will be in our bedroom, so it really doesn't matter if my office stays right in here right away. But we will see as time goes on. To be honest, it is a mess in here, so I need to declutter everything. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see exactly what my plans are, and then we'll get to working. Okay, so right now this is what is going on inside my office. As you can see, my work area is a mess. There's so many things over there. I have my makeup stuff over there, and all of this stuff is for baby flex. Right now everything is in boxes because we have not yet started setting up anything, because I just need to get this room in order. This is the basket that I'll be working with today to put some of my stuff that I'll be decluttering. And then basically the vision is to have baby flex's crib or bassinet here, and then a changing station there. And I think that is all we will be doing for a nursery per se here in Japan, simply because we do not plan to stay in Japan. We are planning to leave Japan at least next year end, and so creating a full-on nursery where I am spending money to get wallpaper and decorate 100% how I would want to decorate the baby's nursery is just not a financially wise decision right now. So we're just going to go with the basics, since we will be leaving Japan soon. And then once we move into another place in the country where we plan to settle forever, hopefully, then I can go overboard with the vision I have for his room. So I am not going to think about getting an Pinterest worthy nursery right now. So for the space, it is a crib and a changing station and his clothes storage. So crib over here, changing table against there, and then for his clothes I'm going to be transforming my office closet into his clothes storage. So basically all of this stuff has to come out of this space, because this will be baby flex's clothing storage. So right now I have just a bunch of my office equipment here. I have all of my manicure and pedicure stuff here, office equipment like, you know, camera stuff, tripod stuff back there, like wallpapers and boxes and like tripods. Here I have a bunch of just random things, phone cases, all of that stuff. Here is where I keep all of baby flex's documents and all of that. And then under here, these are going to be baby flex's drawers. As I said, I'm not trying to do anything fancy by getting like a dresser or anything. I just bought these cheap plastic drawers because, as I said, we're not staying here long, so it really doesn't matter. And then under here, I kind of cleared out under here. So my suitcases were under here before, and this is where I'd normally put my work bag. So that's the bag I bring to work. And because this is my office space, usually I would just come in here, put my bag down and all of that stuff, but I'll have to find a new room for that, because all of this area is going to be for baby flex. So we need to clean out all of this area and then all of that area. But the vision for under here is to store like his stroller, his like extra pampers, extra wipes, stuff like that, and like the bigger furnitures that, you know, we don't use all the time, but we want a place that we can easily grab them. That is what here is going to be. And then up here I'm going to be arranging all of his dresser and make this a nice little cute closet. All right, so that is what we're going to be doing. But first things first, we have to, of course, declutter all of this, and I'm going to be decluttering all of this and putting it into this thing right here that you guys will see once I set you guys up on the tripod. So that is what we'll be doing inside this room, and then of course at the end of this we'll just brush up in Adam's office, and then that will be episode 2 of this series. So let's get to work. If you have somewhere to declutter or organize in your house, the timer is about to be set. Get up, let's get moving.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign.
You guys, I found this sweet note that Adam wrote me some time ago, I guess, when it was a busy period in our life. It says, things have been so fast and hectic lately. Just want to slow down for a minute to say I love you. Oh, Adam. You see, and it's things like that that makes it difficult for me to declutter, because obviously I don't need to keep that, but then a part of me wants to keep it, you know. Another thing that is hard for me to get rid of, you guys, is manuals for things that I'm using. So for example, this is a manual for like the mic that I'm using on my camera, and I'm just here wondering if I should be getting rid of the manual just in case I need to troubleshoot something, you know. Instead of like buying a new one, I could visit the manual. But yeah, I think I'm just going to get rid of it anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it, but I'm going to save this piece that is supposed to be connected if I want to use my phone with the mic.
A sign and tell me when to begin. Oh yeah. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now.
The office was definitely easier than I thought it would have been to declutter, simply because I didn't really have a lot of stuff, and then I knew exactly what I wanted to throw out and what I needed to keep, so it was very easy. In this video, I am allowing you guys to enjoy the beautiful music that I have picked out for you to enjoy while we clean together, simply because I did this video more of a vlog style, and so I do talk a lot and explain what I am doing. Therefore, there is no need for me to voice over, so just know that I am here and I will pop in if necessary.
It wouldn't matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
baby, huh? Wow. Okay, friends, I have made some progress inside of this room. You know, it always looks messier before it gets cleaner, but the main area was focusing on clearing out here so I can, you know, envision what I want to have done. So we've made some progress. The dresser drawers are in these. This is where his clothes are going to go, and then on top I'm thinking I'm going to do like some baskets to hold other stuff. I have written down exactly how I want this area to be organized, what drawers what is going to go into, and like for the top storage there, I know what I'm going to be placing up there. And then I'm thinking I'm going to be putting some tension rods across there to create like a hanger situation where I can hang his clothes that are not going to be, you know, folded and put in here. And then down here is cleared out for, of course, the diapers and wipes. And maybe once we set up his stroller, we can also store it under here for easy access. You guys saw me putting in this wallpaper. Now, yes, it is pink wallpaper, but the thing is, I do not need to spend money to buy a blue wallpaper because really and truly this does not matter. It's just a matter of I had pink wallpaper there, and I have this marble one also that I use like on my desk and stuff like that. But this one is not big enough or long enough to put. The pink one is, so I just put it down here so that, you know, it's not bored. If you're working with me today, I hope that everything is going well and you are getting the job done. If you need to take a water break, a bathroom break, go on, grab yourself a snack, grab yourself some water, and then we'll get back to working.
Like in rain, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I'm not sure if this is only me, but when I am organizing stuff, it takes me a while to really find a layout that I like. So you will find that I move things around a lot to kind of envision and get the exact look that I am going for. If you are like this, please comment down below and let me know that I am not alone. Do you organize right from the get-go, and whatever way it is set in the first round, that is how you leave it, or do you play around to get a vibe that really suits you?
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we. So let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives.
And I'm hi to the vlog. Well, it's not a vlog, but you know, say hi.
Better guy here, you know. You understand me? Better you guy here, yard right now. Guy yard, go home. Time to go home.
Is work making you delirious?
You not tired? Go home.
Oh my goodness, what's this? Work has made Adam a madman. For my non-Jamaican viewers, Adam was saying, go home. Aren't you tired? I don't know where that came from, but you know, it is what he said. But let's get back to finishing this place before ending the video.
Keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right. If you love me right, if you love me right, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
Okay, you guys, so we made so much progress inside this room. Today it looks way much better than how we started out. My desk area is organized, cleaned, surfaces wiped down, bookshelf nice and clean, my vanity area is clean, and all the stuff that was right here are now inside the baby closet right here. As for my ring light, it is not going to be staying inside this room, but I am not sure where I'm going to store it. I'll probably end up storing it in Adam's office or amongst his equipment that are already like standing. But for right now, until we sort that out, it's going to stay here. That is the baby's bassinet, and that is his hamper, which as soon as we're ready to start setting up stuff, then I will see how we're going to do this. As of right now, I am waiting to buy the changing table area, which is going to go against that wall, and then hopefully the bassinet will be in that, well, not the bassinet, the hamper will be in that corner, and then the bassinet along this wall, and then this area, this little L shape, will be the baby's little nook, and I think that will work. And also his closet right here too will work. So we did a little bit of organizing here. His 4 dresser drawer storage situation on top. This is the idea that I have. I won't be using these exact baskets, but since I have them free, I decided to outline them there, so I have the vision of exactly what I'm thinking I'm going for, and then I'll be organizing stuff up there. Of course, that kind of organization will be in another video when we are focusing directly on the nursery situation, but for now this is what we have. And then down here right now is holding all of the stuff that we are getting and buying for baby right now. Some of the stuff we've gotten as gifts of our baby registry, some of them we bought for ourselves, but basically instead of having everything just scattered out here, I decided to use this space to hold it. So that's his stroller right there, lounger, his bath around there, and some other like bottles and pillows and stuff like that. But moving forward, under here will be storage for diapers, wipes, just extra stuff like that. And once we set up the stroller, if it can fit in there for a place to store it when we are not using it, then I would love for it to go under there, because to be honest, there is nowhere else in the house to have a stroller right now, so I'm hoping that once it's fitted we can even set it sideways as it is lying in the box right now in there. So this is the storage situation that we got. Up here is, it still remains as, you know, storage area for the suitcases and stuff. I am super glad with how this room turned out, especially for the office closet. I am glad that, you know, I could sort it out and there is a place for his clothes to go and all of that stuff, and we are not like super stressed out about space or anything. As I said, maybe in the future Adam and I will end up sharing an office depending on how things go, but for right now this is the setup and, you know, I'm fine with it. So right now I'm going to just hop back into Adam's office to complete what we were doing last night, which you would have seen in episode 1 of this video. This video will be episode 2, but we're just going to finish tying that office space together and then we call this video the end. Basically, we did such a good job yesterday in terms of cleaning this and decluttering it. It feels so much lighter inside here, but of course there are little messes here and there that we need to tie up. This thing is going to be living inside of the closet down there, so we need to do that, tie up this office, and then we can say job well done.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
Office is finally complete. The only thing I need to move is the glass cleaner right there, but basically everything in this office is organized. We changed this around. These stuff we're going to be shipping to friends. These are some Japanese books that Adam was using to practice and learn Japanese. Adam's desk, I mean, a workspace is always going to be messy because when I was cleaning, his laptop and the additional headphone was not there, but now it is because it's a desk. We live in here, therefore the desk is going to look as if it's a work desk, but nonetheless everything else is clean. The piano is clean, or the keyboard I should say is clean. This is Adam's little filming station right here with his green screen and his equipment. I know that is a light. I think this is a slider or something. I just neatly put them together there because they were like scattered. So now there is more open space. And of course the big star of the show was this closet, especially the bottom part. So this is what we have working with. Everything is now organized under here, so let me bring you down low. So here is just our work bag, so whenever we come in from work we would just put our bags right here. This basket you guys saw me organize, and in this is some camera equipment and just some miscellaneous items that I use from time to time, like phone cases and stuff like that. Up here on the top is Adam's raincoat for work. This is a black screen similar to the green screen Adam would normally put to this corner when he's doing his type of filming stuff. Behind here is just some storage of memorabilia, just some stuff from students when we change schools and stuff that we want to keep there. Here we have our space heaters for when it is winter time. We have two because obviously we are going to be having a baby this winter, so we will need an extra one to warm up the baby's room. And then we have the iron board behind here, but let me go from the other side so you guys can see. Alright, so on this side, excluding this bag of clothes that we're going to be donating, so this bag of clothes right here are clothes that Adam no longer needs, and then this is basically how the other side will look. We have the iron board there, the iron on top of the drawer down there. Here is Adam's toolbox, and I just have this steamer. This is a clothes steamer line right here, but this is the toolbox where we can find like batteries, nails, stuff like that here. And then this bag hosts our futon. It's an extra futon for if we have visitors over and they're sleeping over. The futon is basically a Japanese style bed that goes on the floor, and then our guests can sleep. And then below there is like a drawer that has other miscellaneous. I'm out of breath. Oh, we did organize his clothes as well. Down here looks way better. Let me show you guys. Way better. I organized his, you know, self-care products, winter gloves and stuff at the back. Here is just like his watches and other stuff that he wears when he's going out. In here we have some winter coats. Here we're going to store his belts, and then down there we have like his socks and extra shirts that he wears, and then up here his work clothes and suits. We did a pretty good job at decluttering and organizing the 2 rooms. The baby now has space to live, and Adam's office is organized, and especially the bottom part of his closet is now organized, and we do not have a lot of junk. So I am very proud of that. Of course, I showed you guys inside of my office and how that turned out already. So this is the end of episode 2 of this organizing and decluttering with me series. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, one, and I also hope that you are able to get some motivation from all of this cleaning and decluttering and do some work in your own home. If you enjoyed it, of course, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.